Bitfinex is a powerful platform for cryptocurrency trading, offering a wide array of tools and features for traders of all levels. Upon visiting the homepage, you'll notice its clean, professional interface designed for an optimized trading experience. Start by creating an account, which requires your email address and a secure password. After verifying your email, complete identity verification for full access to all features, including withdrawals and trading limits. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard, which provides an overview of your account balances, market trends, and trading pairs. To fund your account, go to the deposit section, where you can choose from various cryptocurrencies or fiat options. Deposits are straightforward, and the platform supports multiple payment methods for convenience. Explore the Trading tab to discover the robust features of Bitfinex's trading engine. Here, you can execute spot trades, set up margin trading, and access advanced order types. The charts are powered by TradingView, providing customizable tools for market analysis. You can seamlessly switch between trading pairs and adjust chart settings to suit your strategy. For users interested in earning passive income, Bitfinex offers staking and lending options. Head to the Earn section to stake supported cryptocurrencies or lend your assets to other traders in exchange for interest. This feature is ideal for users looking to grow their portfolio without active trading. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The Security tab is crucial for protecting your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and regularly update your password to enhance security. Bitfinex also provides detailed logs of account activity and the ability to whitelist withdrawal addresses, ensuring your funds are safe. To withdraw funds, navigate to the Withdrawal section. Choose the currency, input the destination address, and confirm the transaction. Withdrawals are processed quickly, and fees are transparent, making it easy to manage your assets. Take advantage of Bitfinex's educational resources and customer support for any questions or concerns. The platform offers detailed FAQs, live chat, and email support, ensuring a seamless experience for its users. If you're ready to maximize your trading potential and explore Bitfinex's features, start your journey today. Remember to use the sign-up link in the description for an exclusive bonus for new users. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a like for more expert insights into the crypto world.